Hey guys, this is Karan back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showcasing a really cool watch from Seiko, no surprise there. It's a 2020 release, limited edition, really cool watch. But this watch does not belong to me. This watch belongs to a very good friend of mine, Rohit. He kindly and generously lent this watch to me for review, unbox and showcase. So thank you buddy for this wonderful opportunity. Before I move on to the masala, however, I must give a shout out to all my friends, fellow administrators and members on Divers Watches Facebook group as well as Watch Enthusiasts India. These two are my most favorite social media groups for all things wristwatches. Our members are awesome, our discussions are informative, and we post pictures of wristwatches all day long. So you can join these groups through the links in the description box below. The 62 Mas or the 6217-8001, released in 1965, was Seiko's first serious watch for divers. It has seen unprecedented popularity and multiple modern reissues, one of which, the SPB149, I previously showcased, and you can watch that video in the link below and on my channel. The 6217 was followed by the 6215-7000, a professional grade diver's watch by Seiko. This model was less popular in terms of sales, but led to the mainstream use of the 4 o'clock crown by Seiko in many of their future lines and professional divers watches. Next, in 1968, Seiko released a new series of professional dive watches, the 6105, and this came in two flavors. The sleeker 6105-8000 with a cool cushion case, which is popularly known as the Turtle, and the unique 6105-8110, also known as the Captain Willard, which is the focus of today's video. Undeniably Seiko and instantly recognizable, the 6105-8110 was produced from 1968 to 1977. It could have been just another Seiko watch, but its asymmetrical case and big crown guards make it a head turner. The popular name of this watch is Captain Willard because it was worn by Martin Sheen, portraying Captain Willard in the movie Apocalypse Now. Now, not only that, but it was easily available to US troops during the Vietnam War, and it was considered solid and trustworthy equipment. Seiko reissued the Captain Willard in 2019 in the form of the SLA033. With the same dimensions as the original 6105, this modern avatar came with the high-grade 8L35 movement, a Zaratsu polished bezel, and overall top-tier Seiko pricing of $4,500 much to the disappointment of fans. But true to form, Seiko followed up with the affordable versions of the Captain Willard in 2020. The SPB151 in black and the SPB153 in a beautiful olive green dial. Both are runaway hits in this dumpster fire of a year. Right, let's move on to the unboxing. Now you can see the outer paper sleeve with Seiko printed on top. Let's remove that. Right, so the box has decorative printing on top that reminds us that 2020 was the 55th anniversary of Seiko's first dive watch, the 62 Mas. The lid mentions limited edition underneath. This seems to be the paperwork, the warranty information, and the manual for the movement and operation. Now, as you must have seen in my video of the SPB149, these Pro Specs limited editions come with a bracelet as well as an extra rubber strap. Let's take a look at the rubber strap. It looks quite soft and supple, and I think it should be a pleasure to wear. Only thing is it comes with one steel keeper. I mean, it wouldn't hurt Seiko to include another keeper or at least make the strap a little shorter because these are very long straps. I understand the professional grade divers watches have to have longer straps for professional reasons, but I don't think most of us Seiko fans are going diving anytime soon. So let's put all of that away. Right, so this is the SPB183 Captain Willard limited edition in blue. I'm going to be very careful in handling this watch because it belongs to my friend who very kindly lent me, allowed me to unbox it and shoot this video. Extremely unique case shape with big crown guards. The SPB series of Pro Specs watches have terrific finishing all over, brushed and polished on different facets and sides, all around very nice brushing and polishing. The crown is unmarked within its recessed position in this large case. This beautiful watch has a blue sunburst dial and anodized aluminum bezel, which is quite reminiscent of the original 6105 Captain Willard. And if you look closely, the hands are more modern and thicker in dimensions than the sleeker, thinner hands on the original. The fun thing about modern affordable versions of the Captain Willard is that these are smaller in size than the original. The 6105 original one was 44.6 millimeters across and 48.8 millimeters lug to lug, whereas this is 42.7 millimeters across and only 46.6 millimeters lug to lug, making it extremely compact and wearable. Now let me show you how this watch wears on my wrist. I have a 7.25-inch wrist circumference for reference, and this watch wears beautifully, sleek and atypically fantastic. I'm quite impressed with how this watch wears. Now, just for reference and comparison, I have the SPB149 here because I think these two watches compare well. Both are modern professional grade divers watches from Seiko. Both are modern yet smaller reissues of classic watches from Seiko's history, and hence bring not only nostalgia to the fore but also throw light on the immense love Seiko enjoys from watch collectors worldwide. Both have thicker hands which are surprisingly brushed on one side and polished on the other, thereby highlighting the faceted design as well as the prowess of Seiko to provide terrific finishing on their products even at entry-level prices. Now both also have a solid end links bracelet with new redesigned clasps with larger and more secure folding and locking parts. While the regular two Willard editions are priced between Indian rupees 86,000 to 1 lakh or US dollars 1100 to 1300, this blue limited edition is priced at Indian rupees 1 lakh 10,000 or US dollars 1400. And all models are currently available in leading Seiko stores globally. If you are in India and want one of these watches, then get in touch with me for a jaw-dropping deal. Now, as always, your comments and words of encouragement mean a lot to me, so please do leave a comment and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more fun videos on wristwatches, and follow me on Instagram, link below, to participate in my daily journey in this wonderful hobby. Thank you for watching.